Hey guys, so today we are here with baby Nadia. I'm going to be applying the aloe vera juice in her hair as a leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to be applying the aloe vera oil on her scalp as a oil treatment to help with hair growth. I already showed you guys how I use the aloe vera as a hair treatment, but this time we're going to use it as a leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to use the aloe vera oil for her scalp to help with hair growth. So I'm going to be doing this on freshly washed hair. I washed her hair last night. As you can see, she's still in her PJ, so it is morning time here. I washed her hair last night and I just sectioned it off in different little sections because I wanted to show you guys this on camera. So I already have it sectioned off. We're gonna go ahead and start with the back section here, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the aloe vera juice to her hair for moisture and as a leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also going to apply the oil to her scalp as an oil treatment. So I have the aloe vera juice here. I already showed you guys how I do this, but this is fresh aloe vera in here. This time I have it in a spray bottle. Last time I did it, I don't think I had it in a spray bottle. And then I also have the aloe vera oil here. I'm gonna apply it to her scalp. It might not look like I have enough oil in here, but this oil is more than enough for her hair. She's escaping. Come on, mama. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the aloe vera onto her hair, and then I'm gonna apply the oil to her scalp. So she's really focused on her cartoons right now. She doesn't even care what I'm doing back here. She just wants to know what's going on with the TV. I'm now going to apply the oil onto her scalp. So I literally just put some in my hands like that, apply it and massage it into her scalp like so, and also onto her hair. Before you do any kind of hair treatments with your kids, you always want to make sure to see how your kids are going to react to it, because sometimes not everything is good for everyone. So you always want to make sure that it's not itching the kid, because sometimes aloe vera does itch, but I haven't noticed that it itches my daughter. She's fine with it. Sometimes she doesn't even pay attention to me when I'm doing it, like now. So she's fine. But yeah, so this is what the back section is looking like. So I'm just gonna move on to the other sections. this is it, y'all. Her hair is nice and clean and moisturized. So I'm not gonna wash this out. This is gonna stay like this overnight, and then maybe I'll wash it out tomorrow. But I'm just gonna leave this just so it can have that effect on her hair. You wanna say bye to your friends? You wanna say bye to your friends? Say bye! Say bye! Okay guys, this is basically it. This is how clean and beautiful her hair looks. I'm showing you guys a little bit of a front view if she'll let me, but I don't think she will. But yeah, this is how the back of it looks. It looks nice and clean and moisturized. So this is how I use the aloe vera leave-in conditioner and aloe vera oil for my daughter's hair. And she's tired. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!